Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be making a DIY oatmeal and honey body lotion. If you would like to see how I create this body lotion, keep watching. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this. Let's dive right into this video. Okay, first things first, we're gonna weigh out our ingredients. So first thing we need is our distilled water. Most lotions need water, distilled water to be preferred, to make sure that there's no extra stuff in your lotion. We don't want the nasties in there. Next, we're gonna be adding in colloidal oatmeal. This is powdered ground oats. Very beneficial for the skin. Here we have our e-wax. There's different kinds of e-wax. Just make sure you have one that you understand the make of. Next, we're going to add in our butters. I have one that has 3 different butters mixed into it, but you don't have to get one that's like this. You can get just 1, just 2, or whatever. Then I'm going to add in my sunflower oil. Make sure you have all of your stuff measured out. It makes it a lot easier when formulating your lotions. Next, I have my glycerine and honey. Now, the honey I'm using is Manuka honey. You don't have to use that, but it has awesome benefits. First things first, we're gonna add our colloidal oats, since it is water soluble, into our water. We're gonna mix that up and try to break up as many chunks as possible, but we are going to blend this, so it doesn't really matter if there's a few lumps left inside of it. But we're just gonna mix it until we get a majority of them broken down. Now that we've fully mixed that into our water, we're going to move on to our oil phase. Starting with our e-wax, we're going to add in our butters. It's good to have a solid butter. We're going to add in our sunflower oil. You should have a loose oil. If you use just loose oil, you will have a loose lotion. Keep that in mind. To that, we will put in a water bath. There's about 1 inch of water inside this pan, and I'm going to put both bowls with our oil phase and our water phase and bring it to the heat. Now we're going to melt everything down until it's completely mixed together. We need everything to be melted down. This doesn't take too long, but it will take a few minutes, so have patience. It's a science. And as you can see, all the e-wax is melted. Our colloidal oat water is nicely mixed together. So now we're going to remove it from the heat and go on to the next phase. Now we have removed our bowls from the heat. Watch this, it's going to be a very quick process. If you blink, you might miss it. The emulsion process happens pretty much instantly. Watch how it combines our water and our oil together. It's quite interesting. Check this out. Instantly, we have a good emulsion. If you let either one of your bowls cool down, your emulsion will not work. Your lotion will not come together. It will separate and it won't look the way it's supposed to look. You want to make sure you keep them nice and fluid and warm. And when you mix them, they should be at the same temperature. Now we're going to mix. Keep mixing it. See how thin it is. Now that our lotion has set up for a few minutes, it's starting to slowly thicken. Not much, but it has thickened since we have removed it from the heat. You can add it to a ice water bath to cool it down a little bit faster. I did that with this, and before I mixed it, it had already came to a trace. So blending it didn't take any time at all. This is a few moments later after its ice bath. Definitely has a trace to it. This is before blending. So the ice bath is very beneficial. But we are going to blend this to make sure that we've fully incorporated every single thing that we've added into this. So let's grab the blender and blend this up. Now that we have a full trace to our lotion, now we can add in our cool down ingredients. I've added in mica powder and my fragrance oil. This lotion has a gardenia smell to it. It smells so good. It goes so well with the smell of the butters. And look at this pretty color from the mica powder that I've added into this lotion. It turns it like this pretty rose color. Now we're going to mix this, but we also are going to stop and scrape the sides to make sure we get all the mica powder, because we don't want any color clumps in our lotion. Now we're all done with the blender. All we'll need now is a hand whisk. Now we can add in our vitamin E oil. This is going to preserve the oils in our lotion to make sure that they don't go rancid. And this is our preservative to make sure that the water doesn't become funky in our lotion. We're going to hand stir those in. Look at that beautiful trace. Beautiful trace. From here, we're going to give it one final good stir and move right on to packaging. Now I chose a container that I've sterilized, and I poured my lotion into this open mouth container. Now the reason I chose this is because I did not know how thick my lotion would turn out to be once it was fully set up. The first time I attempted to make this lotion, it came out a little bit thick. This one is a little bit looser, and I like how it came out. It's super moisturizing. Your skin gets super soft. I think it's because of the triple butter that's inside of it. But if you would like to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next one.